Alright guys, welcome back to 5 Under 5. Today, brought to you by All the Items Dollar Tree. They're not sponsoring this, but I got all the items from the Dollar Tree and I wanted to show you a 5 Under 5 collection to spruce or update your home. So, that being said, I was in my local Dollar Tree, and in the decorating or decor aisle, they have a couple new or different items that you can use. And I got these stones, white stones, because I have white, gray, and black in my house. So, the white stones is really cool. And I got some of them. I had got 2 of these glasses or candle holders, which is real cute. And I already have some teal candles. So pretty much what you want to do is just open this up. I only needed 1 bag, didn't need 2 because simple fact, I'm not going to need 2 bags because it's not a lot going on. And they have them double bagged, which is great because what I just did is just, so I'm going to pour the marbles or stones, whatever they describe them at your store, or rocks, into the glass. Making sure they're even. And I think this one needs a little bit more. I'm going to take the teal or candle and put them in there, center in the middle. So just make sure you have them in there evenly. And you take a little bit more just like so and go around and go around. So no one can see that it is one in there. Okay. And then when you get done, if you have one of them romantic nights or you're just home by yourself, you can light it up, and it's really cute and pretty. So that is a project that you can get from the Dollar Tree. I spent $3 on all the items, $1 for the marbles, $2 or $1 a piece for the candle holders, and I already have the teal thing, so that was $3 right there. And this is a 5-minute, $5 under project.